Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. Now for your next art, you have to take this blue strip like this and then cut it from in between. After cutting it, you can apply glue stick and the heart shape and take two circular strips and the fish is ready. Take bottle caps and insert them like this. Take these pearls and insert into a thread like this. With the help of glue, paste this straw and see how cute this looks. Note the dimension and cut this green sheet in this form. A froggy is going to be made and see the dimensions are really great. After noting the dimensions, you can roll this red sheet into this and start pasting it. The tadpole looks very great. Take a sheet and paste these shapes on it. Place eye and a beak too. After the making of this feather, you can take a glass and make a hole in it. After making a hole, you can simply put rubber band and then you can blow it with the help of a strip. See how fluffy it is. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.